Alright, what's up guys? So today we got a new Ford Maverick video. We actually have Lasfit reverse bulbs that we're putting in. It's a super easy process. Trust me, stick around for the whole video. It's going to be over in a second. So we actually got these from Lasfit. They sent us to us. I want to get these bulbs after we install them and everything. Go at I have 2 links in the description. Those are my affiliate links, so they'll really help out the channel if you guys go order through there. If you guys get anything on there, I will get commission for that. That will help out the channel, help me get more stuff for the Maverick, create more content, travel more, and just get more content out for you guys, light bars. But yeah, we'll get to installing these guys. It's going to be super easy on the Maverick. As you can tell, I got the new Maverick lettering. Let's go ahead and get this install started. So for this install, these are the only 2 things you're actually going to need. You actually don't even need the extension. But yeah, these are the 2 things you're going to need. Just 8mm ratchet and the reverse bulbs. It's super easy to get the bolts out. It's going to be 4 bolts all together and it's going to take 3 seconds. Guys, here we go. So I apologize for all the background noise. I'm currently in a neighborhood and they're doing it's a really nice day outside, so everybody's getting their yard work done. But I could literally do this with one hand. Here, you just take the first bolt off. There's only 2 bolts. 2 bolts on this side, 2 bolts on that side. So all you do is go here. Boom, 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 boom. You gotta see the thing getting loose. Loosen it up. Here. There you go. Then once you get those 2 bolts off, all you do is pull the light out. And you can see in here, there's different bulbs. And the actual middle one is gonna be your reverse bulb. So we're just gonna take one of the Lasfit bulbs out. Pop it out. Now all you do is just twist this. Twist it here. And then this bulb will actually pop right out. And all you do is get it out, and then we're going to take that bulb out, just grab it and pull on it, make sure not to break it. There we go. That is the old bulb compared to the new LED bulb. So we're going to slide this one in. I don't believe it has a certain polarity that needs to go in. I believe we'll just be able to slide it in and not worry about which way it's facing. There you go. It just plops right in like that. So we're going to go ahead and turn the reverse lights on and make sure this works. Set it up here. We'll set the camera up so we can see if the light turns on. Alright, as you've seen, the light did come on. So we're going to go ahead and do a little comparison test in the daytime just to get a good idea on how much brighter it is in the daytime. I know you don't use your reverse lights in the daytime, but we're also doing a nighttime test tonight, and so we're gonna go and get that test going right now. We'll have an angle where we can see both lights at the same time. Alrighty, let's turn them both on. So as you can tell, even from that quick little daytime test, the Lasfit bulbs are way brighter than the original halogens. And these are going to last way longer. They're going to get less hot. There's going to be an overall better bulb. So we're going to go and replace the other one pretty soon. And then we're going to get a nighttime test going. I'll put the old ones back in and the Lasfit ones in so we can really get a difference on how bright they are. Make sure to go to my description and pick you up something from Lasfit. Anything you get on there will help me out. So just make sure to go to the links and we'll get the more tests going, and then we'll end this video. Nice, simple, easy change. Alrighty guys, so it's now actually nighttime. We're going to do the test between the Lasfit bulbs and the regular halogen bulbs. I have them both set in right now, so we're going to go and get that test going. I'll show you guys the difference right now. So Lasfit bulbs on the left side and regular bulbs on the right side. So guys, as you can see, Lasfit bulbs are way brighter, like way brighter. You can actually see everything when you're backing up. I'm actually really surprised on how bright they were. I thought they were going to be bright, but not that bright. And that's with just one in right now. I'm about to put the second one in, then we're going to do another test, but I have to go get some gas. And yeah, I will do that test in a little bit. Let me add the other one in. Thanks for watching. That was my review of the Lasfit reverse bulbs. Dale delivers out.